Almost everyone goes through their day on autopilot. This is a normal state that is regulated by the subconscious mind. But for those who want an extraordinary life, there must be extraordinary measures to get there. Extraordinary is defined as unusual and not arising from normal activities, meaning the normal state that is set on cruise control must be consciously altered for any desired changes. Otherwise, what is known as the normal routine will continue. If your thoughts and feelings influence each other, and those thoughts and feelings influence your actions, and your actions bring about your manifestations, it stands to reason that aligning your thoughts and feelings with your intentions and actions is the best way to create what you want from life. Here's how the 7-step process of manifestation works. First, there is a thought. The thought becomes activated by a feeling. That feeling produces a desire. An interrupted thought, feeling, and desire begin to materialize as an intention or something that someone decides they desire to have. In their law of attraction, the quickest way to align your thoughts and feelings with the full creation process, life intent, is the spark that creates movement, action, and a change of energy. This movement, or change of energy, begins to create new beliefs. With enough energy and belief regarding the intention, there's a new result. These 7 stages always begin with thought and an emotion behind the thought. They comprise the law of cause and effect, and this is how manifestation always has and always will work: thought, feeling, desire, intent, action, belief, result. If you want a new result, the thoughts, feelings, desire, intent, action, and belief must all line up. However, the quality of what you manifest is only as good as the first 2 steps, your thoughts and underlying feelings. Without having these 2 things in alignment, the rest of the steps do not have the map required to move towards the goal of what you're choosing to create. Ask yourself if you've aligned these things for your ideal manifestation, or has your reality evolved from your habitual, instinctual, reactionary, random, or accidental thoughts and beliefs. Your brain constructs guidelines and rules to protect you and keep you safe. It uses the lessons from your past experiences to avoid similar circumstances that result in pain or discomfort. In other words, it judges our experiences based on how they felt and puts them in categories that vary in degree from good to bad. This is why the law of manifestation can be simple to learn but difficult to master. Although we're all creating in this manner all the time, in order to begin transforming your thoughts and feelings is to do so in a deliberate fashion and incorporate all the elements needed to manifest your goal. Go through this easy process that will only take a few moments of your day. It's simple, straightforward, and not time-constraining. Grab a piece of paper and place 2 columns side by side. On one side, label the column My To-Do List. Label the other column My To-Feel List. On the to-do list, write a list of 2 or 3 things that you intend to manifest. Next, take a moment to imagine the feeling that will be produced by achieving each of these manifestations, and entertain it for a few moments. On the to-feel side, write these in-state feelings down. In other words, how do you feel when these manifestations are in your present reality? Start each day by writing your list. It's best to use the same 2 or 3 goals until you begin to see evidence of them showing up in your life. Be sure to produce the feeling state needed by visualizing for just a few moments. If you are able to come out with new feelings that correspond, write those down on the feeling side, in addition to the ones you've written before. Each day, just before you go to sleep, read this list to yourself. Take a moment to match the feeling states that you want again and let them go as you drift off to sleep. This simple process combines your thought, emotion, and desire and sends explicit instructions and signals to the universe regarding what your intention is. You are implementing action towards that goal each day as you write those things down. In addition, going to sleep with the feeling of fulfillment regarding what you want will prompt the subconscious mind to believe and have faith in the reality of these things. It encourages you to engage in new actions that move you towards your goals. Thoughts within themselves have little creative power unless they're very focused and have strong emotion behind them. The key is to create an alignment of your thoughts and emotions so the other parts of the process, desire, intention, action, and belief, have the fuel or energy required to work towards your goal. If your machine does not start out with the proper fuel, how can the engine work for you to move towards your destination? If you really want something to inspire a strong, positive feeling inside of you, that feeling needs to be built up and maintained until you see your manifestation. This is the fuel required to take you to where you want to be. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.